Hey guys, in this episode we're going to be checking out some wireless trailer lights. Should be plug and play, should be really easy to do. Had them sent over from SUPAREE. If you'd like to get a set, I got a link down in the description for you. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Looks like we've got some nice instructions. Turn signals. Our brackets. These are magnetic with suction cup. Looks like we've got our transmitter. And it should work on your 7-pin trailer connector or your 4-pin trailer connector. So we'll check that out. Looks like we've got some brackets, some hardware, install kit. Got some charge cables. And this is pretty nice. I really like this. It's got a splitter right here. You plug it into USB, and then you can plug both of your tail lights in to charge them, which is pretty nice. So just open this up, plug it in, and it charges. Pretty sweet. And in case you don't have a wall plug-in, you can cigarette lighter it. So you can remove your cigarette lighter, plug in your USB cord, turn your vehicle on accessory, and check that out. It's got a battery meter, lets you know it's charging right on it. That's pretty cool. The kit comes with everything you need to mount your brackets. It's got the hardware and the tool to tighten it up with. So you can't really ask for much more than that in a kit. Just figure out how we want to mount them. We've got 2 positions we can mount them. Like that. If you want to high mount them, or like this, depending upon your application. And I did notice that in the hardware kit, it's got these metal plates and the mounting screws and hardware for that too. If you're mounting them to something that's fiberglass, plastic, or wood, you can mount those metal plates on and still be able to utilize the magnets that come in the kit on the brackets. So let's go ahead and get these mounted up and check it out. All right, we got our brackets mounted. We need to locate our 4-way trailer connector on the back of our vehicle, get this plugged in, and then we've got to turn on our lights, and then within 3 seconds we've got to press this button once or twice to pair it. Doesn't seem too difficult, so let's try it. So we want to come back here, find our 4-way connector, plug it into our adapter. You want to make sure that your ignition is on or your engine is running, your choice. And then we need to turn these on. 1, 2, turn that on. And it appears that they're flashing, so it should be connected. So let's go turn on some lights, see what happens. Hey, We got a turn signal. We got another turn signal. So check us out. No wires. That's pretty cool. And from what I understand, these suction cups will work on glass or metal. Now that's pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed. These things work a lot better than I thought they would. They're supposed to be waterproof. The recharge, they connect to just about anything. But what's even cooler is that within just a minute or two, you can unplug it, put it all back in this little box right here, and move on to the next one. This is a really nice kit. Holidays are coming up. Might be a good idea for somebody you know. Thanks for watching.